This 2005 Four Winds International Hurricane 31K is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Four Winds International is 32 feet 9 inches in length and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2005 Four Winds International Hurricane 31K is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.